Are your teeth getting shorter and shorter? Do you wake up with pain in your jaws or a persistent headache? Have you noticed changes in your bite? If so, you may be grinding, called bruxing, while you sleep. Bruxing can grind your teeth away, right down to the gum line. It can also damage your jaw joints and affect your hearing. We have treatments to address this problem, from the simple to the complex. The simplest treatment is a night guard or other oral appliance. If you suspect you may be a bruxer, call us today. We can help.